Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up shipping on your Shopify account. Now, one of the major things which a lot of individuals tend to face who create a Shopify account is that they do not understand where to put the right information. And obviously, shipping is one of the most important things that is involved whenever you put a product that is available on your Shopify account to be sold. You have to make sure that you have the correct shipping that is available to ensure that whatever customer comes do not faces any problems whatsoever. And for that reason and that reason only, we are creating a simple step-by-step video for you guys to ensure that you can find everything in one place and create a shipping for your Shopify account. If you have not clicked in the description on the link, I would suggest you do that so you can get 90 days completely free and start your Shopify account immediately. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing that you need to do is head over where it says setting over here on your dashboard. Now, once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, there's a lot of options available, from store details, plans, billings, users and permissions, payments, checkout, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, and location. Now, the most important thing you have to keep in mind is the shipping and delivery, which is this one. Once you click on it, you'll see on the right side for the shipping and delivery that shipping is where you can choose where you ship and how much you charge for the shipping at checkout. And obviously, they already have a general shipping rate, which is for all the products, and the rates for the domestic and the rest of the world. Now you can also have a custom shipping rates where you can add custom rates for destinations, restrictions, or for groups of products. And you can also click over here and create a profile. After that, there's an option called processing time. Now it shows the delivery dates to your customers by setting a processing time. If you choose orders in 2 business days or less, this will be added to the transit time for your shipping rates. And obviously you can learn more about that by clicking processing time. And right now, the main thing you have to keep in mind is your local delivery, because deliveries orders directly to local customers, so you can manage a delivery by location. And also the options available on your Shopify account where you can also have a local pickup, meaning you can allow local customers to pick up their orders by actually managing a pickup point of your location. Now this could be your store, this could be your house, or it could be any general point that you can allocate with a time where the customers who have ordered any product from you can reach you at that location and get that order directly from you. Now, the main thing you have to keep in mind, guys, is that whenever you start a Shopify account, you have to make sure there are multiple options of shipping that are available to your customers. And that is the competitive advantage that you can add to your Shopify account. Then the option of packages come. Now, the packages sizes that you use to ship your products. This is very interesting, guys, because obviously whenever someone buys a product, they want to make sure that the package size that the product is coming in is predetermined. So for example, is it properly packaged? Is it safe? It is secure or not? All of these things get is included in the packaging size. And obviously, once you have a big package, the price for the movement of that package is going to be different. And if your package is small, then obviously the price is going to be different for that. You can also add your packaging slips, a printed list of items in a shipment that often goes inside a package. And obviously with Shopify.com, you get an option where you can have a customization of the packing slip that you can print when you're fulfilling your orders. Then they have the last option, which is the carrier's account, which enables third party to calculate rates at the checkout. For example, right now, our plan does not offer this feature, but you can always upgrade to enable to calculate shipping rates using accounts from FedEx, UPS, and apps as well. Then you have your custom order fulfillment, where you can add an email for a custom fulfillment service that fulfills the order for you, which is completely different, which we will not look in this particular video. Let's head right up over here and let me show you how you can actually create a profile. Once you click on create a profile, you'll be able to fill in the information up for your products. For example, this is a name of the product. You could put fragile products, or obviously we can change and put, for example, anything that you want. Once that has been added, you can add products by clicking on products. Once you click on products, the products that you have available in your store will be made available for you. We have this product over here, so we will add this product and we will make a shipment for this particular product. Now, as you can see, the product has been added, which is the microphone for the DSLR. Now we want to ship it from our location to a particular place. So we can click on manage and we can remove the rates if you want, and or we can keep the rates we want. Now we have to create a shipping zone. Once we click on create a shipping zone, we will have to name the shipping zone. Let's call it world. Now, once we put the world, we will click on rest of the world or Asia, or you can search for every specific country that you want to sell your product to, and you can make separate locations and regions for all of them. So we'll select rest of the world and we'll click done. Once that is done, we will have to put a rate for this one because no rates and customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So let's add the rate. We can set up our own rates or we can use a carrier or app to calculate the rate. So we're going to put the rate of the name, which is going to put standard. And obviously we're going to put the rate over here. It could be anything that you want. So we're going to put 500, and we can also add conditions if you want, which can be based on the weight of the particular product or based on the order. So if you want to put the base of the order, we can say the minimum order is going to be 100 and the maximum is going to be no limit, and we're going to put done. Now we can clearly see the condition is if it's for 100 or up, the price is going to be for 500. Now we will save. Once we save it, you'll be able to see your custom shipping rates made available over here. And obviously with that, here comes off your processing time. You can click on manage, and once you click on manage, you'll be able to see the shipping time. You can use the processing time to show the delivery dates at the checkout, and we can select the 2 business days over here. Now this has been selected. Now we can head back. Now looking at the packages. Now the package is very important to include. When we click on add a package, you can actually name a package that you want. Let's say box. And then when we select box, the type is going to be available here. Is it going to be a box or an envelope or a soft package? Now you can select the length you want of this particular package. For example, you can increase it or decrease it how you want. You can also add the length if you want yourself. You can add the width if you want as well. And you can include the height you want as well. I always suggest to everyone to include the weight of the product because it gives an understanding to the customer that what is the actual weight is going to be and why the weight is going to be so much. If it's a small product, it could be because you're securing the product to make sure that it is not damaged when it reaches the customer, or it could be that the product it is heavy in itself. Once that is done, all you need to do is click add a package and the package is going to be added. Now you'll be able to see the package that you have saved. You can also add another package if you want and keep increasing the packages as you want. Then you can select it, what packages works for what particular product. Now comes the packaging slip. You can click on edit and actually edit the packaging slip as you want. Now over here, this information has already been added and we can preview the template as we like. So when we click on preview the template, it will take us to the next page. On this page, you'll see the information where the thing is going to be delivered to, who is it going to be billed from, what is the order number, what date is going to be created, and what is the item available, and the delivery instruction is also going to be available. Now you can customize every single aspect of it over here, and that is the beauty of Shopify.com because it gives you a chance to customize your order for your customer, ensuring that you can create a relationship with them, ensuring that you can make them a loyal customer. Once that is done, all you need to do is head back from here. Now comes the carrier accounts. You have to upgrade your plan to get the carrier's accounts to ensure that you can be associated with FedEx, UPS, and different apps as well. And obviously you can add fulfillment services as well if you want by clicking add fulfillment service, and you have to put the name and the email. They will work for you. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. If you haven't clicked in the link in the description to get your 90 days, I would suggest you do that right now because this is opportunity of a lifetime, because seeing is believing. So go ahead and create your Shopify account and start shipping immediately. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and safe it is to create shipping on your Shopify account. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.